white light or just an egg sandwich?
I like white light. Little treasure box. We have water. Charge your thing there too. You can't really talk here. Very quiet. Everyone's sleeping.
Three other cities in China. Okay. Never. Okay, okay.
So I just got back into the hotel room. I had a beautiful first day. I can't believe I just flew in 14 hours and then went straight out to the wilderness. I started in Wanchai and then went over to Central, walked out a little bit and checked out this dim sum spot I really wanted to check out. And then I did some shopping around for things that I need for the week that I forgot. So let me show you. I went to this pharmacy and of course, toothbrush and toothpaste essential. And then this Olive Young spot treatment. There's a pre and post. I got the pre one because typically I feel like I need it when the acne's getting bigger on my face, but there was a post one that was also part of this. So if this is good, I may go back and get more. I got the Farm Stay Sika cleansing balm. I don't have a cleansing oil here, so I wanted to try this one. I heard this is really good for calming the skin, but also for sensitive skin, which I have. And then I feel like this was much needed Mediheal tea tree mask. I have been traveling a lot recently and just went skiing in Vermont, and it was like -1 degrees, or felt like. And I kid you not, I had frostbites literally on the bottom of my cheeks where the skin is exposed between my goggles and my mask. So definitely gonna need that. Also went to Central Market, and then it was closing down a lot because I went pretty late. I honestly took a lot of time with this, but also pricing wise, it was very I think reasonable. I kept the receipts. 65 Hong Kong dollars, which is about, I believe, like $10 or less. Sika Farm was 159 Hong Kong dollars. I'll put the conversions as captions. This was 36, and then this was 12. And then I also went to Central, like I said. I got these two magnets. I just thought the colors were so pretty. I am a sucker for yellow and blue and orange and black. Orange and green also together. Got the souvenirs at the way. And then I went to the dim sum place I really wanted to try. I brought some back for Vin because I think it was one of the best dim sum spots I've ever been to. The shrimp was like so full and moist and just like so filling, and the wrap itself was chewy and not soggy, and it just had a bite to it, which I really loved. The pork bun, oh my gosh, the inside was so yummy and delicious. Honestly, it tops any New York place. And I'm sorry, my favorite spot in New York, but this may be the best dim sum I've had. This was the total price, not bad. It was 144 Hong Kong dollars for the 3 dishes that I got. And then the tea was 18. And then yeah, some service fee, I believe, 10%. But now I'm gonna go shower and probably put this on. And I think I'm gonna edit this video. I wanted to challenge myself and do 1 video a day and see where that goes. But yeah, I will hopefully see you soon. Here's a little room tour. Got her bed and a see-through bath, which is very interesting.